BBQ Rando is here, and tonight we have another Safe and Sane demo for you. But before we get to the firework, say hello to the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro! Sergeant Pyro, what do you have in your hands that you and I are going to demo tonight on the street pad?
Good time from SUNS Fireworks.
SUNS Fireworks! Whoa! You know, SUNS Fireworks, Sergeant Pyro, is a brand new company that is in Arizona for the first time that I could remember this year. And you know, Sergeant Pyro and I were just talking, there is no place we know of where you can get the good time fountain from SUNS Fireworks in Arizona other than from Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com, for all your safe and sane firework needs for the July 4th holiday and for New Year's Eve. santanfireworks.com. They have 60 locations in the state of Arizona, 2 locations in New Mexico. What I want you to do, go to santanfireworks.com, santanfireworks.com, click on the location tab, find a location for you. They should be open up mid-June, this June. So stick around, more to come, and let's talk about the fireworks. So we got a nice American family there, Sergeant
Yes,
Pyro. That looks pretty good. Now, what do we got around the side? Let's tip it around. There's Dad, Mom, and the kids. All right.
There we
go.
Effects.
Oh, we got some good effects here. So I'm just going to zoom in for a moment. Let me. Ziggy. Ziggy's here, everybody.
Hey, Ziggy.
Ziggy. All right. Good job, Ziggy. Ziggy's working the camera. All right. Now, what does it say up here? Oh, that's kind of hard to see. Okay. Oh, Ziggy. Ziggy. That's why we got you. All right. The amazing fountain starts with red, green pearls, silver sunflower with blue star, white chrysanthemum with red, green pearls, gold silk with blue stars, silver crackling. Let me come over this way. Thank you. There you go. Thank you, Ziggy. Okay, ending with a unique silver flower. Really spectacular. QR code. Wear your QR code. All right, there we go. We're back with the family. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and pyros of all ages. Let's ask them. Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to go out to the street pad and light good time?
Yeah.
Let's go have a good time. Yeah! We made it to the street pad. Sergeant Pyro is lighting. Ziggy is with us.
Get it, Ziggy.
Yeah, Ziggy! You can say hello to Ziggy in the comments. Whoa! I don't know about you, Sergeant Pyro, but I'm already having a good time.
Absolutely.
Whoa, Ziggy.
Back up, Ziggy.
Yeah, I think he is. Whoa! Oh man, look at those colors. Beautiful.
Wow.
Whoa!
Okay.
Whoa! Look at that! Whoa!
Oops.
Whoa! Look at it, they're still going. That was so flippin' cool. Get yourself down to santanfireworks.com for a good time. These are gonna sell out, Sergeant.